Hello, today I am going to show you how to use Google Keyword Planner for YouTube videos. So let's start the main video. First, open Google Ads on Chrome browser or any other browser. Make sure you have an account on it. Now go to Keyword Planner page. Then click on Discover New Keywords. Here, enter the keywords that match or related to your YouTube video. After that, click on Get Results. Here you can see the keyword ideas, average monthly searches, competition, etc. Now copy keyword which has much monthly searches. Now paste the keyword that you have copied in Notepad or Google document for note taking. When you will going to upload video on YouTube, paste this keyword on YouTube video. I would suggest that you use more keywords. Using Google Keyword Planner for YouTube videos helps you find high demand keywords that people are actively searching for, so your videos have a better chance to reach the right audience. By choosing keywords with strong search volume and relevant intent, you can optimize your video title, description, and tags to improve visibility, click-through rate, and long-term growth. Overall, it's a smart way to plan content based on real data and make your YouTube videos more discoverable and competitive. And that's it. Thanks for watching.